Good day. My name is John Luis Seredon from BDFETED FSM 2I from Marikina Polytechnic College. So, as you can see, ito po yung recent topic na diniscuss namin mula sa EDUC 5, which is the Competency-Based Learning Material or also known as CBLM. So, based po dun sa video na pinost ko, which is the session plan, ito po yung idun ko po binase yung mga nilagay ko dito, which is the sector, qualification, unit of competency, the module title. Yan. Ito po yung dapat na maging laman ng front page ng isang CBLM. So kapag naghanap po kayo ng CBLM mula sa kahit anong website, this is the front page supposed to be. So dapat din dito nakalagay yung mga bagay na dapat na sa loob ng CBLM, which is the parts. Ito po yung dito nakalagay yung front page, list of competency, module content, learning outcome summary, learning experiences, information sheet, self-check, yung self-check answer key, the task sheet, job sheet, or the operation sheet, the performance criteria checklist, and the references or the further readings. So, here's how to use the competency-based learning material. Kung mapapansin nyo po doon sa iba't ibang klase ng mga CBLM na kung sakaling makikita nyo, halos parehas lang yung nakalagay na how to use this competency-based learning material, pero ang papalitan lang po doon is yung mga naka-highlight na nandito, which is automotive electrical parts servicing NC2. Yan. Next is yung competency, preparing service parts and consumables, tapos yun. So for the competency-based learning materials, here's the list of competencies. So, kinuha ko lang po siya dun sa TR, which is yung listahan ng mga competencies na dinistribute sa bawat classmate ko. So, as you can see, nakalagay po sa core competencies yung sa akin. Which is yung second to the last ng common pala. Common. Prepare servicing parts and consumables. So here's the module content. Yung unit of competency, yung module title, and module descriptor is kinuha ko po siya mula sa session plan. The nominal duration is supposed to be 4 hours yung buong session. And the learning outcomes at the end of this module, you must be able to yung mga elements sa TR or yung mga learning outcomes na nakalagay sa session plan. And the assessment criteria was supposed to be performance completeness and prepare attire utilization, proper usage of equipments and parts of consumables, attendance, and liveliness. So for the resources, automotive parts, consumables, tapos yung personal protective equipment. So for the learning experience, kinuha ko lang po siya based dun sa nakalagay sa session plan. So read info sheet 1-1.16. Tapos answer self-check 1-1.16 at the end of the learning assessment. So conduct hands-on activity for automotive experience and create a reflection for the laboratory assessment. So here's the special instructions. Read the information sheet for familiarizing the parts and consumables. The assessment, laboratory, hands-on activities, and etc. must be conducted inside of the workplace simulation in order to reassure the quality of learning. So since isa siya sa mga common competencies, it's supposed to be a hands-on. Hindi po siya halos dinidiscuss lang ng nakaupo lang or written works. Nasa pagitan po siya ng core and basic competencies. So, hindi lang basta magsusulat tayo, kailangan din natin magkaroon ng mga laboratory ano, assessments or hands-on activities. So, for the info sheet, since hindi ko po siya makita sa kahit saang sa CBC, hinalungkat ko po yung CBC and wala po akong nakita dun sa part ko sa unit of competency ko. So, nag-research po ako ng kahit anong connected sa servicing parts and consumables. So, I come up with the idea na gumawa ng sarili kong info sheets na kinuha ko lang din yung listahan mula sa isang website din. Ako na rin nag-research ng parts each of the categories. So, the learning objectives will be after reading the info sheet, you must be able to identify the parts and consumables, retrieve and withdraw parts and consumables, then complete work process. So, yung nakikita nyo po dito ng mga pictures, then yung mga descriptions is, yun po yung mga nahanap ko na ano. Then yun po sila. Yung first category is basic tool parts and consumables and identifying parts and consumables. Then the second category is personal protective gear and identifying parts and consumables. Basic materials in identifying parts and consumables. Yun. Then, after natin i-discuss yung nakalagay sa info sheet, we must have to give the learners the self checks so we could assess their learning developments and kung ano yung natutunan nila. Maaari nating malaman kung gaano kalalim yung mga naintindihan nila doon. So since yung competency natin is common and we were talking about the hands-on and written works, kailangan din nating may assure na halos kabisado nila yung mga nakalagay dito, kaya pinili ko na self-check will be enumeration para malaman nila. Siyempre kailangan din nating maipaintindi sa kanila yung use of these parts and consumables. So kailangan din nating pa-memorize sa kanila kung ano-ano nga ba yun. So here's the answer key and the task sheet na kailangan nilang i-perform in order for us to reassure na meron talaga silang natutunan. So, yung nilagay ko po is yung vlog making na nagpa-perform ng paano gamitin yung mga parts and consumables. So, for the performance criteria checklist, it will be here, master in performance. So, may kita natin sa ganda na explanation, vocabulary, and grammar nila. That will be 50%. And the completeness for the equipment, parts, and consumables. Personal protective gear, it will be 30%. And for the creativity, which is yung ambience, yung lugar na pinag-videohan nila, yung expression ng mukha nila, and then yung editing skills, that will be 15%. And for the on-time submission, kung may pasa nila ng on-time, that will be 5%. So here's the references. Diyan ko po kinuha yung mga images and then yung descriptions. Yung iba, inedit ko na lang kasi masyado po silang mahaba. Pinalit ko na lang and kinompress ko yung informations. Only those who is important parts ng mga descriptions, yun lang po yung inilagay ko dun sa taas. So, yun po yung CBLM na ginawa ko. Hope it will help. Thank you po.